There's a house in New Orleans they call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor boy, and God, I know I'm one. My mother was a tailor. She sewed my new blue jeans. My father was a gambling man down in New Orleans. Now the only thing a gambler needs is a suitcase and a trunk. And the only time he's satisfied is when he's all drunk. Oh, mother, tell your children not to do what I have done, to spend your lives in sin and misery, and the house of the rising sun. Well, one foot on the platform, the other foot on the train. I'm going back to New Orleans to wear that ball on the chain. There live a house in New Orleans they call the rising sun. Oh, it's